Hey, how's everybody? My name is Jessica and I'm doing this video for all of you who might be interested in taking the I Am Courage series with Natalie. I took the series last time and it was amazing. I have been on my spiritual path for most of my life and sometimes you just need a little bit of help. You need a teacher to kind of push you past where you want to go sometimes. And I feel like Natalie really helped me. And also there was a woman, Janine, who was able to see some blocks that I had that I couldn't take care of myself and didn't really realize were there. And I don't know. I'm sharing my experience with you because I feel like, you know, some of you might not be sure whether this is something you want to do, or, you know, you are hearing the call, but you don't want to answer it out of fear for whatever reason. And I'm just here to let you know that on the other side of doing it, it was amazing. And I feel like there's so many things that I am doing and able to do now that I allowed myself the ability to do it. And I have to say something about doing a healing and a support with people around you that are doing it too. And also you benefit from the healing of other people in the group and things that you don't even know that you need, or maybe they're experiencing things that you're experiencing and you don't really want to talk about, and then you can still work on yourself from there. And it's just, I don't know, meeting people who are, you know, in similar situations that you would never meet. They live halfway across the country or in another country. So I'm just saying that that experience was huge. And, you know, I'm doing this video, one, to support Natalie, but I'm also doing it because I wouldn't have done this video before this class. And I'm doing it now because, you know, more and more, it's becoming more and more apparent that this is the direction that I need to go for myself and my own business and my own, you know, being the face of my own thing, which I've been hiding from my whole life. So that courage that I got from that was huge, and it's amazing, and it's a great experience. And I'm feeling like maybe a lot of you are just not ready to plunge. And I got to tell you that that was part of it. It's like when I decided to do it, like everything flowed I was in the flow. I had such an amazing 11/11. I was growing so much because I took that resistance and I dove into it. I leaped, and it was something I